Believe it or not, the humble treadmill, that stalwart of the gym, can burn a staggering 700 calories per hour when used effectively. That's the equivalent of running at a steady pace for the same amount of time. Surprised? You should be. Welcome to the world of treadmill workouts, a realm where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, where the mundane becomes the magical, and where the overlooked becomes the centerpiece. Step 1 in any successful treadmill workout begins with a warm-up. Not just a stroll, but a brisk walk. A warm-up that gets your heart rate up, your blood pumping, and your muscles primed for action. 10 minutes should suffice. After warming up, it's time to step up the pace. Increase your speed to a comfortable jog. This isn't a sprint, it's a steady, maintainable pace. A pace you can hold for around 20 minutes. Once you've found your rhythm, it's time to introduce intervals. These are short bursts of high-intensity running, sandwiched between periods of lower-intensity jogging or walking. Start with a 30-second sprint, followed by a 90-second recovery period. Repeat this cycle 5 times. Now, after the intervals, decrease your speed back to a comfortable jog for another 10 minutes. This is your recovery phase. Your body needs this time to lower your heart rate and prepare for the final step. The grand finale of your treadmill workout is the hill climb. Increase the incline on your treadmill gradually to mimic a hill. Start small and increase the incline every 2 minutes for a total of 10 minutes. This will challenge both your endurance and your strength. Finally, it's time for a cool down. Lower the incline and slow your pace to a leisurely walk. Spend at least 5 minutes on this phase to help your body recover and to prevent muscle stiffness. In summary, a successful treadmill workout involves a warm-up, a steady jog, high-intensity intervals, a recovery phase, a hill climb, and a cool down. Each phase plays an integral role in maximizing the effectiveness of your workout, burning calories, and improving your overall fitness. So the next time you're at the gym, don't just walk past the treadmill, embrace it, use it, and discover the extraordinary within the ordinary. Remember, the treadmill isn't just a piece of gym equipment, it's a tool for transformation, and it's waiting for you.